Alright, so today's question is how to reverse a linked list. So we have this example saying 6 pointing to 12, pointing to 8, pointing to 5, pointing to 2, and then to no. And we want it to look like this. We essentially want to reverse it. Let's come up with the algorithm to solve this problem. This is what we have right now. And what we want is to point 6 to no. So if we set previous to no, current to this, and then next to 12, we can then say so we're saying that next right here is going to be current dot next. Then current dot next is going to be the previous node, because we want this pointer right here to change to point to no in this scenario. So we want current dot next to point to the previous node in order to flip the order. And then we want previous to move over once, so we set it equal to current. And then we want current to move over once, so we set it equal to next. And that essentially is the algorithm. So the only thing left is to iterate through the linked list. So we say while current is not equal to no, and then return the previous node, which is the current head. So if you think about it, at the end you're gonna have 2 and no, and then previous is gonna be here, and then current is gonna point to no. So we want to return this node because that's gonna be our new head, because this is how our reverse linked list is going to look. And that's it. So let's take a look at it now in Java. So I wrote this linked list class in order to test our algorithm. I have also another class, node, which just takes in an integer and then also has a pointer to the next node. And just a simple print, which just prints the linked list. So let's write our algorithm. We know that it's going to return a node, and let's call it reverse, and it also takes in the head of the linked list, and we want to say while the current node is not equal to no, we want to iterate. So let's declare our 3 node. So we have previous, which we want to set it to no. We want current, which is the head, and then we also want a next, which is for now no. So the first thing we want to set is next equal to current dot next. Then we want to set current dot next equal to the previous. So that's essentially changing the pointer, like reversing the linked list. Then we want to change previous to current. That's to move that pointer from previous to current. Then we want to set current equal to next to move it over and go to the next number. Then we want to return the previous, which is the new head of the linked list. So in order to test this, we have the original linked list. So we want to get the head of the linked list, so we reverse it, and then we passed in the head, then we just print it out. So let's compile and run our algorithm. So as you can see, the original linked list was 6, 12, 8, and 5, and 2. And then the reverse linked list is 5, 2, 5, 8, 12, and 6. So there you go. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.